Welcome to Math Class Grade 3. Today we're going to be focusing on place values. Our ones, our tens, our hundreds, and our thousands. Every place value to the left is 10 times greater. We can see this with our ones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our tens 10 times greater than our ones. We need 10 ones to make a 10. Now let's go to our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Our hundreds place is 10 times greater than our tens place. We see that we needed 10 tens in order to get 100. Let's count our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So 10 100s will give us 1,000. Now let's go ahead and look at our thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Awesome sauce. I'm sure you got that one. No problems. And guess what our next place value is going to be then? That's right, 10,000. Wow, you did a good job. Give yourself like 3 pats on the back. We are already halfway there. Now, if you get lost at any point, rewind that back and try again.
Hey, you rocked it. Have you never seen a dog with googly eyes? I have never seen a kid do math so well either. So we're even. Stop staring already.
All right, digits versus values. So 3,423, it's quiz time. Do both threes have the same value? You're fantastic if you said no. And so let's look at their values, okay? What's the value of 3,423? Well, we can look at it in different ways. Let's start first with a model. So the 3 in the thousands place has a value of 3,000, while the 4 in the hundreds place has a value of 400. And the value of the twos digit in the tens place is a 20, while 3 is the value on the ones place. Now let's look at it in expanded form. So 3,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3 will give us a number 3,423. That shows us the value of that number. Can the number 3,423 be shown in different ways? Yes, 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 and 1,000 times yes. 3,423 can be shown in many different ways. Ready? So let's look at 3,423. We're going to break it apart with a 3 in the thousands place. There's a 4 digit in the hundreds place. There's a 2 digits in the tens place. And there's a 3 digits in the ones place. All right, let's go ahead and change it. So I'm going to keep the 3 digit in the thousands, the 4 digit in the hundreds, but I'm changing my tens. I'm taking 1 10 out of there, and I have a 1 in the tens digits, and now I'm bringing it over to the ones. So now I have 13 ones. Let's look at it in expanded form. 3,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 13. Now we're going to combine this and see, do we still have the same number? Is it going to still be the same value when we crush it all together? Ready? So we're first going to crush the 10 and the 13. So 10 plus 13 crushed together is 23. Now I am very redundant, so I'm going to rewrite the 3,000 plus the 400. Until I've grasped it enough that I don't need to rewrite it, I'm going to rewrite it each time. It'll be good if you do the same thing. So 3,000 plus 400 plus 23. Now I'm going to crush the 23 and the 400 together. 400 plus 23 crushed together is going to be 423. And again, I rewrite the 3,000. So now I'm crushing together the 423 plus the 3,000. And I'm going to get 3,423. So bullseye. That is right. Let's see if we can change it around in a different way. So I'm going to change now my hundreds place. A 3 digit in the thousands place, a 3 digit in the hundreds place. But now, so I've taken away one of my hundreds, I'm going to put it in the tens place. So now I have 11 digit in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. All right, so now we've got 110 plus 3, and we're going to crush that together, and we got 113. I'm going to rewrite it because I'm very redundant. 3,000 plus 300 plus 113. So now I'm crushing that together, and I got 423. Now I'm rewriting my 3,000 again because I'm very redundant. Now I'm going to crush them together. 3,000 plus plus 423 is going to give me 3,423. Awesome sauce. Again, I came up with the same number, but you notice that I changed a few things around in the place values. Let's see if we can do that again. But this time, let's go to the thousands place. So now I've changed my thousands digit to 2. And since I've taken away 1 from the thousand, I'm going to put it in the hundred. So that becomes a 13. So I've got a 13 in my hundreds digit, a 2 in my tens digit, and a 3 in the ones place. All right, so I'm going to write it out in expanded form, 2,000 plus 1,300 plus 110 plus 3. And I'm going to go ahead and crush that 110 plus the 3 together, 113. I'm going to rewrite everything because I'm very redundant. 2,000 plus 1,300 plus 113. And I'm going to crush that 113 plus that 1,300 together. So now I get 1,423. So my next step is that I'm going to rewrite my 2,000. So I've done that already. And I'm going to take that 2,000 plus the 1,423 and I'm going to crush it together. So I got 3,423 again. So I've got 3,423 all over again. Bullseye. Great job. So I've changed this around in many different ways with the place value. So here is your turn. I want you to take 1,216 and do the exact same thing I did. You just have to understand that as you go up on the left side of the place value, every place value is 10 times greater than the last. See you next time.